Hey lovelies, I'm officially in nesting mode, so this is a Nest With Me bassinet assembly edition. So this is the baby bedside bassinet I decided to go with from Lennox Furniture on Amazon. It was about $140 Canadian and it was super affordable and came the next day. The assembly process was extremely easy. Here in this video, I'm about 34 weeks pregnant, and although I had my husband on standby just in case I needed help, I was actually able to set it up on my own with the occasional help of my toddler as he insisted on helping out. I love that this bassinet is lightweight and also sturdy. It has locks on the wheels, so once in place, it won't move at all. And it also comes with a mattress, which I thought was pretty cool and super convenient. I know babies can be pretty fussy, so I'm really hoping that she will enjoy her mattress because, you know, sometimes it's a little bit uncomfortable for them, but we'll see. Also guys, by the end of this video, if you're interested in getting this bassinet, you can find the link to it down in the description box below. Both of my sons are beyond excited to see their little sister, so everything regarding her arrival, they both have been wanting to help out, which I appreciate so much and love so much. Here you can see my youngest throughout the video helping me out as he insists on doing. I honestly have the most sweetest boys, and I know they're going to be the best big brothers to their little sister. One of the best features I find on this bassinet is that the sides fold down, allowing me easier access to my daughter. as I may have to do a repeat C-section, so this will help out tremendously as I won't have to bend down too low to get her or place her in her bassinet. Another feature I love as well is that the bassinet is adjustable in terms of height. So it has, I believe, 5 height options, which again makes it super convenient. So yeah, I really love that I'm able to make it higher or lower depending on where I'm sitting or laying down. Alrighty guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed and I'll see you in the next one.